Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix this error which say tag list must contain at least one tag. So if I write anything here, for example, my gig is related to I will do graphic designing for your website. So for example, if I am going to write this one and click on save and continue, the error will be same. So how I can fix this one? It's really easy. Simply press enter and then click on save and continue after writing the keyword. I will do it again. Simply paste your keyword and then click on enter and then click on save as continue. Another thing you can do is just type comma. Okay, it's not working, so you have to enter it. Click on enter. Okay, so hope you like this little tutorial. If you want more tutorials related to Fiverr, as I am working on Fiverr, so you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.